Well, hey there and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make another recipe, a great macaroni salad that you could take to a picnic. This is a macaroni salad I'm kind of making up, and it's based on an Arby's sandwich, the beef and cheddar sandwich. I worked at Arby's as a teenager, and it was such a fun job, and the beef and cheddar sandwich was one of my favorites. So let me show you how to make this salad. It's time to cook up some macaroni. I've cooked up the large macaroni this time. That sure is big. You just need to drain it and pour it in a bowl. I'm gonna add like a cup of mayonnaise to that next. And then a half a cup of this dressing, Western dressing. Have you ever seen this before? Well, I recently just tasted it, and it reminded me of the sauce they put on a beef and cheddar sandwich, which is what led to me coming up with this idea. So let's put a half a cup of that in there. Well, I got some Deli roast beef that I'm gonna chop up into little pieces. Let's add that and mix it in. I'm gonna add some minced onion and a cup of cheddar cheese. Mix that all together and we have ourselves a nice summer salad. Chill until ready to serve. We have the meats. Beef and cheddar macaroni salad. It's wonderful, and it's totally like a beef and cheddar sandwich. This is perfect for the picnic or the barbecue. This video is part of an all summer long collab hosted by Just Cook the Damn Food. Basically, he nominated a few people, and then we're encouraged to nominate some people, and then those people are encouraged to nominate people, and we post videos that are perfect for the summer, and you can find all these wonderful summer videos by checking out the hashtag Summer Cooking Fun. And I'll be nominating Galley of the Sun, Cooking with April, and Table Full of Joy. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. Why did the cheese board blow away? Because of the strong breeze.